afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. I'll run through the basics of this car quickly for the people who are watching on our 1 minute Facebook video. So, Freelander 2.2 TD4 XS, manual 4-wheel drive. Selling point 48,600 miles from new. 10 services, serviced at 5, 11, 15, 23, 28, 33, 36, 40, 43 and 45,000 miles. So very good service history, low mileage, excess. Had the cam belt replaced at 43,000 miles. It's absolutely immaculate. Nice little find here. Metallic silver, Pirelli tyres, like brand new. Got side steps, super clean, super original, lovely thing. Price 10,995. Okay, so XS manual 2.2 diesel, 2011 on a 61, as I say, 48,600 miles. Got a tow bar privacy, rear park sensors, got the rear spoiler, alloy wheels, beautiful condition, Pirelli's like brand new, running boards, silver and privacy glass, looks good. Front fogs, headlamp washers, again, nice alloy wheel. Like new Pirelli tyre. They are Scorpions, aren't they? But yeah, Pirelli 4x4 tyres, the proper ones. Inside, Alpine Hi-Fi, part leather suede, electric front seats, usual XS spec, multifunction steering wheel with cruise, start stop because it's got the eco button, sat nav, Bluetooth, 6-speed manual, fitted Land Rover rubber mats, absolutely spotless. Inside, really lovely condition, clean, super clean, not dirty at all. Oh, looks almost like it hasn't been sat in the back. Tow bar, twin electrics. In the boot, really clean, nice to see the parcel shelf in there. Not tatty at all. Full size spare wheel, number plate for your trailer, jack, wheel brace, warning triangle, all complete. Mud flaps on the front, got the running boards. Sorry, the sun's in our eyes. Okay, it's purple wheels, mint, Scorpion, new. Pirelli Scorpion, new. Obviously very well cared for car this. Folding mirrors, electric windows, obviously got Bluetooth, cruise control. Oh, I've got the bonnet open. 48,000 miles, 48,471. Has had the cam belt replaced, has been fairly recently serviced, has got heated seats, sat nav, Bluetooth, electric seat. Generally lovely car. I have to excuse me, I don't know why. There you go, bonnet's closed. So yeah, beautiful example. £10,995. Got to be the nicest Freelander we've ever seen. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Freelanders in stock, or visit us on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram. If you do, please follow us. Now this video will end up with nearly 2,000 other videos we've produced over the years on Barclay Motor Company 5243. That's our YouTube channel. If you head over to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and then you will be the first to get a little notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.